In the early stages of the iPhone 15 rumor cycle, it was thought that the top-tier model would be called the iPhone 15 Ultra rather than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Those speculations subsequently died down as media outlets resumed calling the iPhone 15 Ultra the replacement for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. If a recent leak is to be trusted, we may need to get accustomed to calling it the Ultra once again. The iPhone 15 Ultra will undoubtedly be the top-tier model, according to several sources, according to Apple insider Andrew O'Hara. Earlier speculations claimed Apple would differentiate the two premium models more clearly. In the past, it was anticipated that the iPhone 15 Ultra would have a telephoto periscope lens with a 5 to 6x optical zoom, but according to O'Hara, the phone will have a 10x zoom, putting it directly in competition with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, one of the best camera phones available and something of a gold standard when it comes to zooming capabilities. It's unclear if the phone will employ a sensor crop or a specialized 10x lens for the 10x zoom. The iPhone 15 Ultra is expected to feature a brighter display than the Pro, according to a reliable leakers report from February. Aside from that, the two top-tier models are expected to be almost identical. The Ultra will have a larger screen, 6.7 inches, and a larger battery, which is already the case. O'Hara's tweets are consistent with other claims that said the 3M-A17 Bionic processor and mute switch will be replaced with a titanium frame and action button on the iPhone 15 Pro and 15 Ultra. The minimum storage will reportedly be upgraded to 256 GB, while higher capacity models may come with 8 GB of RAM, according to some rumors. They are also anticipated to feature slimmer bezels and improved camera lenses. According to several sources, the price of the iPhone 15 Pro might rise by $100, and the top-of-the-line model could cost $200, but sticker shock could put off customers, which is one of the reasons Apple has chosen to reduce production. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.